Yeah, okay, siyabonga bafethu kubantu aba-engage so sesingena kweze Mamelodi Sundowns. So continue to engage with us whether ama-comment or nifuna ukufona, yeah, nizokwazi uku-engage. So iMamelodi Sundowns sibonile iwinile but iwine nayo kanzima. Shout out to uMayilula ubuyile kuMamelodi Sundowns, ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu outside 18. I guess uMayilula is home, is finally home. Uzamile lapha eNorth America, wahluleka kuToronto FC, wadlala kancane lapha, wadlala under uRulani Mukwena kuloni, wayeBelgium wafika wahluleka eBelgium but manje ubuyile ekhaya. First game yakhe kuSundowns ulishaya phakathi, assist from lapha uThembazwane. So shout out to uMayilula. I guess sometimes bafethu kumele uhlale ekhaya la ucomfortable khona uzokwazi ukudeliver. And a shout out to Sundowns ama struggles wakhe walapha overseas but bakwazile bona ukumbuyisa ekhaya. uCassius Mayilula, uLeon uready, ufiti ukudlala for iSundowns. Suspension yakhe iphelile, kuzoba nzima kulama game lawa zayo because uLeon siyazi ukuthi uyistriker esibaluleke kakhulu for iSundowns. But khona into engiyibonile iSundowns bafethi defense yakho ifeel hayi ayiphuwi defense Sundowns. I-communication, I don't know whether communication between Sundowns no Ronon Williams or bafuna ukudlala amalona ama-offside trap iyabashaya lento lena ana oboKigen bafethu ngeke iSundowns idefende ngoKigen. And it's unfortunate ukuthi the best defender eSouth Africa ku-South African football for me uCupido ulimele for iSundowns. Uyumjita ke for mina mangimbona lapha kuSundowns ngiyazi ukuthi ayi lo mjita uyi-workaholic and akana ama mistake isikhathi esiningi lapha kuSundowns. So yili defender balibheki for mina ngilibhekile ukuthi lingaba right. Mawubheka iSundowns i-defense and bastruggle ngama aerial balls kuSundowns, bane height but bastruggle ngama aerial balls. So Cupido once waba ready ngicabanga ukuthi uzoba sharp abe right, and then umvala naye ufully fit or ready ukuthi adlala, sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ku situation yakhe but ke bekakhona ku match day for umvala. I think Cupido Mvala labo bantu bazoba important, maybe noNdamane if uzo minimize ama mistake wakhe last season bazoba important for iMamelodi Sundowns. But into ebaletha down ku Sundowns i defense, Sundowns i defense even na last season, even na ku Champions League mawubabheka i defense yabo indlela ba consider ngayo lapha na problem. But I liked ubani uVan Wyk. I think uzoba a player important for iSundowns, exciting umfana mangimbukela laphana. Maninga isquad is cool for iSundowns yabo. And then ngibonile uMiguel Cardoso udlale even nanga uBennett Mukwena, but umuntu enga-understand ukuthi waya kuSundowns lebo hangimuthiba. Yabo khona abantu enga-understand because equality le phezulu ukhona lebo hangimuthiba but uyazi ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso maybe umdingelani. uMiguel Cardoso wazi ibhola than mina yabo, ngiyakuvuma lokho. Ucoach we-direct khona into ayibonayo kule bangimuthiba but ke I think uyi-strike kumele kabe yi-fourth choice kuMamelodi Sundowns in terms of ukuba ama-strike because khona uLeon o-important, khona uReyners ubani mntu okay, yeah, uReyners ukhona important, uMabhena uMukwena sengiwaye ngithi uMabhena uBennett Mukwena mela athole more game time. As for Alende bahamba nini kuSundowns bagqilaza njalo hayi Alende ngamanje ushama man of the match, like ama midfielders wethu kumele afunde kubadlala abafana nabo Alende. Yabona ama midfield udlala kanje bafethu makumele uphasa ibhola hayi njengabolo abomaboy ufuna ukuhold ibhola kakhulu, release nje ibhola, phasa ibhola simple, dlalisa ama players wakho simple, move njalo uyabona uyakwazi ukumove iSundowns makukhona uAlende and akunzima ukuthi aluze ibhola, akaluze ibhola lapha neswing. But I guess ama team amaningi because awaqalanga kahle almost wonke ama teams, maybe babuya ku pre-season abakabe ready, ama teams laphana basadinga nje izinto ezincane ukuthi babe right. Ngifuna ngingakhohle uMukwena, what a player, what a superstar, but I feel like udlala ama-game amaningi kakhulu for iSundowns. Lo muntu udlala limele kuSundowns, cabanga bekalimele mina uphumile, there is no way like ubonile bamkhahlele mfethu le nto bokuyi-red card lento kaMukwena. Abo Rev base South Africa ba against iSundowns lokho mina ngeke ngikufihle bafowethu abo Rev, and then the first card uyinika iSundowns, the first card after iSundowns ama tackles from iPulukwane City dangerous, uthulile nje ubhekile uhlahla amehlo uRev wakhona. Jaja mfethu umsebenzi wakho ukujaja, ungajaji based on ukuthi ufavor nor awuthandi ini, jaja ngokweqiniso. Lo muntu bekumele akatholanga nelo card ulimaza iplayer kwaze kwaphuma igazi mfethu nix. But uMukwena wabuya ngoba uyi-warrior still waperform, oshaya igoli elihle kakhulu. iSundowns when they are behind kulaba abadlala khona. uMiguel Cardoso problem yakhe enkulu may lead iSundowns ufuna ukuthi ba protect leyo one lead angithi lese ba leader 1-0 le goal advantage yabo or 2-1 ufuna ukuyiprotecta yakasa attack kakhulu ucalculative i-team mayibuya seba under pressure ukuthi kumele ba bounce back ke futhi manje bakwazi ukushesha ba win igame so ukuthi seba replaceile abantu maybe kungamelanga baba replace so lento leyo ukuthi for Miguel Cardoso ufuna ukubalance iplay ufuna ukuprotect iplay or i-lead ye-Sundowns I think iyo into ephindi bashaye lapha na ku-Sundowns so abalungise lezi zinto lezi bafethu lapha na ku-Sundowns bakwazi uku-attack bakwazi ukuba aggressive but ibona uyabona ukuthi banama players agood kakhulu bakwazile ukuwina first game yabo so babona namhlanje ukuthi bazodlala kanjani lapha na ku-Sundowns and ezinye indaba ezinhle for i-Sundowns bazodlala i-Super Cup at home so again bane chance ukuthi bawina ama millions futhi lana at home eSouth Africa njengoba bazodlala nale team le yini i-USM bazodlala nayo at home so they have no excuse ukuthi bangayewin la match le so congratulations for bona ngokwazi ukuwina igame as for Saleng angiyazi mina into kanje bafethu noma amajita loyiwe noma idiscipline orini fethi Sundowns ikuthenge ngama millions ku Orlando Pirates Sundowns ishintsha impilo yakho Sundowns kunika contract right but wena uyanyamalala Sundowns ifuna ukuya na ku CAF Champions League final awutholakali ku pre-season utshela i-team owasayina i-contract wena akekho umuntu okuforced ukuthi usayine ne-Sundowns uthi awufuni nokuhamba uSaleng nebacabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ikusayine mawungana discipline khohlwa ungaba one of the biggest stars in South African football but without discipline ku Kaizer Chiefs ngeke kuye buzosipho Mbuli bekumele asayine ne Kaizer Chiefs or i-agent yakhe iye ku Kaizer Chiefs yathi nanga umuntu ngingamsayina mali Kaizer Chiefs yathi no because ku Kaizer Chiefs babheka i-brand yabo uzoyapha after Sundowns udlalela iPirates uku-Sundowns iPirates futhi bese ikulona ku-Orbit College bese kuphelile ngawo but Sundowns yabelievela kuwe Saleng but wenzani umfowethu so iba around abantu abakuthanda abazokwazi uku-advise ngokweqiniso lento mina ngithanda ngiyamthanda uSaleng as a player but i-behavior yakhe ayikho team ezosebenza naye cabanga you playing for the biggest team on the continent ama current reigning champions on the continent i-team ya ku-FIFA Club World Cup i-team recognized abantu all over the world i-team travel umhlaba i-team emanagwa i-agency ka Jay-Z but wena uzobehave kanje but ke yabona ingqondo zaselokishini iproblem ngoba unengqondo zaselokishini abangani bakutshela ukuthi ntwana Sundowns ihloncenga wena uskaya gymming and uSaleng lento yakhe bengicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates beyinenkinga kanti no kusho ukuthi uSaleng une problem cause naku Orlando Pirates wazinyamalalela uSaleng and Orlando Pirates I think into ebashaye kakhulu ukuthi bebamprotect uSaleng until indaba yakhona yazi aba public uSaleng do you guys still remember ku Orlando Pirates uneyinkinga ubalekile ku Pirates unyamalela abafana yambiza badlala I think bebadlala eBloemfontein ne against Egypt kuma CHAN qualifiers uSaleng bayambiza udlala first game udlala kahle kakhulu angithi and then second leg kumele bafly by Egypt wanyamalala wabuyela emuva ekhaya okay ubaleke ku Pirates ubaleke ku Sundowns ubaleke kubafana uzoyapha after la Sundowns imnika signing on fee ehlakaniphile Sundowns imnika ama salaries are right but ke no actor njenge diva abosale ngaba realize lama opportunities lawo bawatholayo mfethu abantu sihola ama 350 ka Ramaphosa but wayibona iopportunity oyithola lapha na ku Sundowns bafethu but yakuzoba nzima for amajita afana nabo Saleng if abakwazi ukubehave kahle angazi mntu khona abantu ofuna ukuthi sikhulume nabo before simove la kwezimnyama ngenkane zikamagebhulu ezagebhulu umhlaba kaMasipala the current champions of South Africa
Ati Cupido is not better than Mbogazi unless you mention the PSL
sikhuluma ngani bafowethu kanti kusho ukuthi ngelilanga abantu bazothi ulo because sikhuluma ngebhola lase South Africa iOmni Order sikhuluma ngebhola phesheya uMbogazi udlala eNorth America so asimbali so yeah uCupido is the best defender South Africa ngithe for mina hayi for wena mfethu yabo so amawabheka wonke ama performances wakhe good uCupido Sundowns yasurvive ngoCupido ku semi final ye CAF Champions League ngibala ibhola la locally and sikhuluma even on the continent abantu abadlala overseas uMbogazi udominateile locally I mean if uMbogazi waqeda isizini bekazoba i-defender of the season that's for sure yabo
and then Bati ref was going with Polokwane City in that match
yeah awuref beka favor Polokwane City but ke mawungayifakela izibuko le ndaba ukuthi waye beka favor Polokwane City ama answers owabona
okay Pesitao
Pesitao uyi free agent bafethu uyi free agent free agent elidurayo bamrelease eVietnam. So uPercy Tau, one of the greatest football players modern times ku South African football, what decide ukuyodlala eVietnam. Sazi Vietnam war thina. If uzohluleka eVietnam iphi team ezokusign? Orbit College.
And then the same guy, one Ustima Nambo. Maybe it's a spiritual thing on Saling.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I think in the Bakasaleng, yeah, maybe spiritual, yabo. Maybe kumele simthandazise uSaleng. Maybe kumele kuhlangana abafundisi abayi6 abapowerful eSouth Africa, yabo, baguqe ngamadolo. Maybe kumele uSaleng afaste for 16 days straight, yabo. Maybe around abantu abangamthandi nabamshaya ngesichitho asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani sonke siya speculate but akekho umuntu ongaba kule opportunity kaSaleng mfethu uhola imali eyithusayo like imali ayihola ngenyanga ku Sundowns uSaleng abantu abama professionals abaye university bayihola ngonyaka so angazi ukuthi why kule situation uSaleng.
And then it's going to be difficult for Mailula because of Leon O'Connor.
Yeah, no, but wait, uMailula akadlala iposition ka Leon. uMailula uyi number 10 aphinda abe yiwing akusi strike uMailula. So uMailula ulwa nama players like a different laba bakwazi ukudlala ezi number 10 nama wingers. Kuzoya ngoMiguel Cardoso ukuthi uzomdlalisa kuphi uMailula. But it's going to be difficult for ama players amaningi for mina ku Sundowns. uMailula ugood simbonile siyamazi uMailula and then khona uThiki Ntshabeleng naye ugood but angimboni as a player ezodlala week in and week out ku Sundowns because of i-competition eserious lapha na ku Sundowns. So ubona ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso uzothanda mapha ama player azoyivuma isystem kaMiguel Cardoso as a coach naye azobelivela kuwo lawo ma player lawo but kuzoba nzima kakhulu for ama player amaningi. I think ama players amaningi ku Sundowns azoba frustrated bafowethu this season ngoba amaningi ekayithola i-game time but sesiyivala indaba yeMamelodi Sundowns. Nama player kumele basolve inkinga lapha na ku Sundowns. Ubani khona lo ngalikhohle igama lakhe uKodisang still uyiplayer le Sundowns akana team bamreleaseile ku Stellenbosch bamreleaseile lapha bamlona ePortugal wahluleka ePortugal ku team relegated bamlona ku Stellenbosch wahluleka kusekila ku Stellenbosch so Sundowns manje ayimfuni like akana future ku Sundowns and uwe wachomela iSundowns wathi yena ufuna ukuhamba akathola enough game time uhlulekile ukuthola enough game time phesha eEurope uhlulekile ukuthola enough game time ku Stellenbosch. What's next for Kodisang? Then kune play kumele balisolve Asquavel abamthanga 43 million but one inkinga naye ku Sundowns still contracted to Sundowns to this day kumele basolve indaba yakhe cause uthi yena akana nkinga yokuthi ahola hleli nje akayindawo yabo so ziningi khona ama contracts kumele bawasolve and then bakwazi ukumove forward.